you coming down?
Maybe a little slow.
I'm coming.
Bobber! No, Bobber! Bobber!
What do you have to do? Go up through there?
No. This way, this way. I'm gonna.
Really?
This way.
Oh, heck no.
I'm not sure.
Look, let's say hi to Mommy. Look, say hi, Mommy.
That's Jackie. Yeah.
Say hi.
Bye. Scary when I go.
Okay, to go down the slide, you need to climb up through here. Are you not coming?
You're not coming? Talk about
You are. Go down. He's coming down.
Mommy, you're not climb the slide.
Are you? Where's your little brother?
Down. Hey, there's something down.
There's nothing here.
I know, but we have to go down.
Okay.
But not the bridge. I found another way.
Ugh.
Look, see, it's down.
Hey, wait, where is he?
I'm right here.
Oh my God, I can't. Ah!
Let me come down. You stay there, okay?
No. Hey, keep your feet up.
Whee!
There's nothing down there.
Whee!
We just got into the other.
You have to come down, Mama.
I know I will.
She's gonna crash me.
The big hog.
Look up, look up, look up, look up.
Look up.
Whoa! Whoa!
Go, Ivy, go.
Where's the fountain? He was waiting for him to say.
To the left.
You have to run fast. Go.
Fountain. Is that the fountain of youth?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go to the fountain.
Go!
It's serving a piece too. That's what it's supposed to be.
Hi, baby.
Hey, what's going on? It's
How do you
beautiful
feel?
outside. It's nice, breezy. Kind of nice chill.
It is a great night, a great summer night. This is what it's supposed to feel
That's what it
like.
should be, right?
The boys are back there playing. Kristen's taking pictures over there too.
And me too.
Don't fall, puppy.
We did the freeze.
Go, Gio, let me see you. I was watching you.
Yeah, put your feet over your head.
He has the attitude and everything.
Back up.
No, no, no.